Good morning. Clearly very single, really doing really well over here. I'm going to the friend with my gym.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth.
Friends, and welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday today, and I normally start my weekly vlogs on what? It is Tuesday today, and I normally start my weekly vlogs on a Monday, but yesterday was a complete write-off. I was just such an emotional mess. I think there are many factors contributing to it, but I just don't really want to go into, can't be bothered going into. But I had a bit of a self-care night last night and had a really good sleep actually, which was really great. I've woken up this morning, I had a coffee while I did a little bit of work, and now it's 10 to 8 and I'm about to go into a PT session. My plan for this day is to work out, go home, get so much work done, and then go for an afternoon walk. And then I think I might go to boxing tonight, I think. I'm unsure if that's too much. If I feel really exhausted, then I won't, but I haven't been to boxing in ages, so it sounds fun to me. As I said, yesterday was the complete write-off, and I was in front of my computer all day doing work, but it was like 3 or 4 p.m. and I only had 1,000 steps, and my goal for the rest of Feb is 12,000. So I went on a 12-kilometer walk. Honestly, I hit my 12,000 steps and I was like, I just kind of want to keep going. So I just did. And so my legs are a little bit fatigued this morning, not gonna lie. And I am about to just hit legs with my PT. So that's absolutely incredible. I'm gonna die. I know it, but it should be a good session. I haven't had a PT session in like a week. Last week I went and visited Soph, and it was so good to stay so on track while I was away from home. And I've come home from that holiday and my weight is dropping, which is really exciting. I mean, it has been dropping and I don't know why I expected it to not continue to drop, but I'm almost at my goal weight for Feb, which is really exciting. I've worked really hard and I'm happy that my hard work is paying off. I know weight loss is like a touchy subject, but I'm just really proud of myself and I just want to put that out there. I do actually need to go to the post office and pick up a package, which is exciting. I have no idea what it is, like absolutely no idea. Anyway, that's my update. I'm hoping for a really productive day today. Hopefully just getting my workout done now will just set me up to have a really good day. I need to eat really well today as well, because yesterday I was just not in it at all. But anyway, that's my update.
Were you across my stack? Yeah, that's fair. So that is nothing.
It's gonna be so heavy.
It's gonna be good, isn't it? Yeah.
just made it home from the gym and Woolworths and the post office, and the parcel is from Jazz Handmade, which I was not expecting. I didn't know that this was coming. Georgia, I hope you love. Yes, look under the flap. I hope you love this collection as much as I loved creating it. Jazz, what? Oh my gosh, wait, is this a like Valentine's Day collection? Oh. Okay, yes, this is from her Valentine's Day collection. So I have these little studs. They are so cute. And then these little earrings as well. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Jazz. I was not expecting this. That is so nice. Thank you for being my Valentine. Clearly very single, really doing really well over here. Loving life. Thank you so much. That's so kind. I'm gonna pack away all these packing peanuts. I'm gonna drink my smoothie. I've been obsessed with this smoothie lately. This is the smoothie that Soph made me pretty much every single day that I stayed with her, and it's just the best. It's so yum. So I'm gonna drink this. I have some Instagram stories to post, and then I will get into editing my vlog. Firstly, if you can hear that fan noise, that's my laptop trying to export a video. It sounds like my laptop is trying to take flight, but I just need to sit here and keep an eye on my laptop while it's exporting because I need this video done by this afternoon. So please excuse that. I'm in the same activewear I have been in all day. Exposing myself. I just changed my shirt because I spilled my lunch on my white shirt. But I've been sitting in front of my computer all day editing my weekly vlog, which I feel really good about. It's all done. As I said, it's exporting. So it's currently 3:30 and I have 2 hours before I need to leave for my boxing class tonight. So I've decided to do a little bit of cleaning. I want to mainly clean my kitchen, my bathroom, and then just kind of the surfaces in my bedroom and office as well. Just a really quick, easy clean, just to set me up to have a really good week. And I also wanted to thank Co for sponsoring today's weekly vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen already, but I've been using Co for the last couple of months and I have been converted. So if you've never heard of Co before, they're an eco-friendly cleaning brand. So none of their cleaning products have any harsh chemicals, any toxic fumes, and they also have no fragrance or scent. As I said, I've been using them for the last couple of months and I don't think I'll ever go back to just regular cleaning products. You know how like in your cleaning cupboard, you have just like a shelf full. I really thought someone was knocking at my door. A shelf full of cleaning products, and you have like a spray for your bench, a spray for your sink, a spray for your windows, a spray for your mirrors. That is so annoying to me and I just hate clutter. So the fact that I can just have this one bottle of Co that I have full of the Co Universal Cleaner, and I can just use this one spray bottle on every single surface, that makes my heart so happy and also my life just so easy. I'm pretty lazy when it comes to cleaning, so the easier the products are to use and store, the better. So this is what the Universal Cleaner looks like, and it's just a little like, I don't know what this is called, like an esky knob. And as I mentioned, this is super eco-friendly because you just have the one bottle and you just fill it up constantly instead of having to throw out plastic bottles every time you empty it. They also have a bunch of microfiber cloths that are... I'm not sure I understand. They also have this pack of microfiber cloths that have different colors for different surfaces. So instead of having 10 different bottles, you just have different cloths. So the green cloth is just for general cleaning, white is for mirrors and polishing, and blue is for bathrooms. So I'm gonna do a clean of the kitchen. So I'm gonna use the green cloth. All of these cloths also have a little scourer corner. So you just pop your fingers in there and scrub away, and it's so helpful. Also, can we take a second to admire the spray on this bottle? How satisfying. Honestly, could not recommend Co enough. So I'm gonna Co my kitchen, but before I do, I will have a link to Co in my description box along with my discount code, which is Georgia2021, and that will save you $10 off your first order. I'm gonna get cleaning, enjoy this very satisfying montage. I feel like I haven't done a good cleaning montage in a while, and who doesn't love cleaning montages? That's all I have to say. Good morning friends, happy Wednesday. It's 1 p.m. and I've only just picked up my camera for today, but it's honestly just because I've been going non-stop all day. But I'm feeling really good. So I woke up at 4 a.m. this morning and did a 5 a.m. gym class with my friend Beck. We did the strength and conditioning class and it was upper body and it was hectic, like it was so hard. But there's just something about waking up when it's dark outside and like being awake before everyone else. Like I walked out of my house and down my driveway to my car and I was like, I'm just standing here completely alone in pure silence. And it was so nice. I don't know. I don't think I could do it every day. Like props to the people that have to get up that early for work every day. But like I feel like to have a morning to work on myself and to just be on my own and do something that I love, I reckon I could get up that early a couple times a week. But anyway, did that this morning and then I went straight from the gym to breakfast with my friend Kate. We got to breakfast at 8:30 and we left at 12. Like we could really just sit and talk all day. It's a little bit ridiculous, but I just came home. I've been snacking because I'm too lazy to make lunch. I'm eating an apple. I just had some pea snaps. I'm hungry, but I don't want to cook lunch. I've just been sitting here making my thumbnail. I've like made one option, but I don't love it. Not that you can really see that, but I just don't love it. So I'm gonna try a couple of the so I'm just gonna try a couple of other photo options in the thumbnail. I don't know why I just took a bite. I'm trying to vlog, Georgia. But I was just sitting at my computer and I got an email from DHL saying that a package arrived and I didn't even hear a knock. And I have a package from Gymshark, but it's a box and I'm really confused. So I just thought I would open it on camera because honestly, opening packages off camera just feels wrong. So I have no idea what this is. Also, do I open a vlog? I was gonna say, do I open a package from Gymshark in every vlog? Absolutely. Interesting. I'm gonna stop recording because it ran out of space, but they sent me a little photo frame about Never Miss a Monday. This was my first photo in Gymshark. I'm just saying. Oh, welcome to the Gymshark family. We're so excited to have you on the team. Big things ahead. Lots of love. Hashtag Never Miss a Monday. Sophie, if you're watching this, I appreciate you more than you know. That's so nice. Anyway, now that my distraction is over, I need to get back to making this silly little thumbnail. I'm so over it. I'm gonna eat my apple. I'll probably have lunch sometime soon. And that is all. It's currently 5:40 a.m. I'm heading to the gym. I went to bed at 11 last night and for no reason. Like I just sat down on the couch after hitting my steps and eating my dinner and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna edit a reel that I filmed. Why? You can do that tomorrow. I don't understand. Anyway, again, I'm going to the friend with my gym bag. I'm going to the gym with my friend Beck. I have some pre-Naked Harvest candy cane. Oh, I'm exhausted. Like I woke up at 4 a.m. yesterday and then went to bed at 11 p.m. Like why did I do that to myself? Anyway, I'm gonna drink this while I drive to the gym. My brother told me that I should use this song for my next workout reel, but it's kind of a banger. It's called Coming In Hot. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get pumped up for this gym session. It's leg day 2, so it's gonna be a struggle, but we've got this.